How to create an animated video using AI. Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you guys how you can make an anime style video off of pictures using AI. First thing you're gonna have to do is provide the picture here. So what I'm gonna do is just drag this picture and I'm gonna copy it here to my chat and then ask ChatGPT to make it anime style. You could also add slight variations to your pictures. So I'm just going to wait for a bit to generate the picture. As you can see here, it says a lot of people are creating images right now, so it might take a while. So you just wait for a bit. And I'll show you guys the next process while this is being generated. So go ahead and open up a new tab here, and you're going to have to search for Kling AI. Hit enter and open the first link right here. So if you already have an account, you can directly log in, or you can create a new one if you don't have an account. So click on this create option at the top right option, top right corner, and you should be able to create any kind of video here. So let's just click on it. Now it will take you to a new tab. So Kling provides you with different kind of credit points that you can use to create or generate videos. What I can do now is go to the image option or the AI generation. You could add image editing and drop the file. So let's see if ChatGPT has processed our image. If not, let me just continue with this image right here. I'm just going to drop it. So I'm going to drag it and drop it right here. Let me just do that one more time. I'm going to drag it right up top. All right. So you're going to have to log into your account. So let me just continue with my Google account. So I'm just going to choose my account from here. If you have multiple accounts, you can choose a different one if you want, but this is the only account I have. So I'll just continue with this. So once you're signed in, just choose whatever you are and then click on next, click on other, click on submit. So once you get to this page, you can add an option to add animations here. So that was the image editing page, but what you want to do is search for Kling AI video and then go to image to video option. Now all you have to do is just paste the image here and then you should be able to start creating an animation with your photo. So let me just paste this right here and then click on generate. So it will generate a slight motion to your video. I'm just gonna wait for a bit. As you can see here, the video is in queue and a lot of people are using the feature. So the waiting time is way longer than expected. It's going to be longer than 3 hours, but that's basically it. So if you have your video in queue and in generation process, you should be able to generate any kind of animations with this website. That's it for this video. I'll hope this was helpful to you and I'll catch you on the next one.